kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make one of my favorite summer drink, and this is cherry drink. Stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, this is the cherry. This is quarter kilo of cherry that I'm going to use. I have to make sure they are well cleaned and I'll wash them with water.
But you say if you look at me, hide your face, hide my face, makanata mamakin on my race. Love you know me and save you say make a put one fire, 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 but a damn I can put up fire. You know me and say if you say make a put one fire, 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 burn.
So guys, I clean my cherry with clean water, then I'll pack them into my blender, add water and sugar to it. That is it. Just 2 ingredients you make your cherry juice. So I added 2 tablespoons of sugar to my cherry. I'm not here to cause wahala. Hello, diva, save your drama. You don't need this in your soap opera. If you're dead for me, when the border hunger, I could die for you. But you say if you don't get money. So guys, after blending my cherry, I'll make sure I will strain it and take the fibers or particles from the juice. So guys, you will see some small foaming on the juice. You can take it with your spoon. You can also leave it, but normally I love taking mine out. So serve your cherry juice with ice cube, or you can also preserve it in the fridge. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Love you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. But you say if you look at me, hide your face.